Mahal sa Bicol. Walk with nature. Huh? And if you really love me, oh my God, little. Oh. Hi, Brian. How was your Christmas? The Christmas is happy, good. How about your Christmas, Brian? Aray ko. Oh my God. Walk. I'm walking. Thank you, 3 million here. 3 people here. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you for the likes. Thank you po. I just stayed home. Me too. At Christmas, I stay at home. On Christmas Eve, I sleep early and wake up early. When the middle of the night, suddenly black out here in our place. Thank you, 66 people. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Trying to walk a lot. I walk a lot every day. Thank you so much. Baby, my heart different. I thinking that. Thank you so much. Hi, Fabian Castro. Hello, Brazil. Hi, Fabian from Brazil. I was at church Christmas Eve. Here, Christmas Eve, raining here. Oh my God. Thank you so much for the likes. For watching, everyone. The coconut tree. I'm at the nature now. Hi, Joey. What you doing? I'm walking. I'm going to my colleges. We do work today. We're visiting the children. today. Thank you, Joey. Thank you for the likes. Oh my God. Yeah. Thank you for the likes, guys. Sunny here, hot weather. Thank you for the watching. 6 people. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you. Yes, okay. Hi, Danilo Pa. Is the Oliveira. Hi, Danilo Ilomozodaka. Hi, Ilomozodaka. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Thank you for the hit, the likes. Thank you for watching. Oh my God. You and everything. Say goodbye. How was your Christmas? Our Christmas is good, but another like rainy here the Christmas, but it's fine. Happy Christmas because with family. I'm with my family. Anthony, hi Anthony. Thank you for the likes. Hi Golden. Golden, welcome back. Thank you so much. Manay nan? Manay nan? Walay. Hello. So wait. homemade.